Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Casino. This is my real account which I am going to grow with proper risk management. We'll pair trade in us today, which is high volatile pair. I reduced the lot size to 0.01, you should also follow the risk management. Let me explain to you why I buy trade place. The market has been showing bullish momentum for quite some time, which shows that we can get foot buying opportunity here. We have to first take the trend line and draw it downwards. By this we will know about high or low. Connect all the dots well, this is the basis of our strategy. We'll take another trend line which we will connect higher high dot. By this we will know when the market can reverse. When the market makes a new higher high, so touching this trend line above leads to more than time. We have created a trend channel. As long as the market does not break the trend line below or above, till then the market will remain inside the trend channel. We'll make supply and demand area from rectangle tool. There was a strong resistance area at this place, which has been broken by the market. Now the market is going upwards by making it a support. This is high probability trade which can give us good profit. Our analysis is complete. Now let's see how the market reacts. High percentage chances market will go above hay because for the last few hours the market is going up. We are following proper risk management here. All of you also follow the proper risk, by which you can reduce the loss. We made a $1,000 deposit. Let's see how much return we can get deposited from this trade session. Market is up for some time now. We have got good opportunity here. My stop loss will be below the support area. I will close all trades as soon as my stop loss is hit. My target point will be near the top trend line. I always put stop loss and targets point on TradingView. Let's see how many times the market achieves our target point. You all also take trade with full patience. Never close a trade before the stop loss or target point. We have made $150 profit from 0.01 lot.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Our analysis worked well. The market respect to our setup. I will close all my trades because the market is about to touch the upper trend line. The market has gone as we did the analysis. I am closing all trades as my target has been achieved.
Brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but you see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man.
have grown our account by 15% from $1,000 to $1,143 with proper psychology and risk management. The market has gone straight up. We didn't expect that much. We achieved around 70 pips, which is enough for our target point. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Welcome to unrealization. We came prepared to kill the operation.